What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about another possible 100x gem today built on Sui, and this is called xMoney, XMN. And shout out to the members out there. A member requested this video. He said, what's going on with xMoney? So we're going to be going over xMoney and talking about what I think is going to happen here. This thing is up to over 100% in the last 24 hours, so that's pretty good. We're going to talk about this. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but let's get straight into it. So this is their website. They are built on Sui. So as you can see here, empower your business in the economy, in the digital economy with a financial ecosystem. So you can accept payments to this. They have like a whole payment processor thing. So you can accept global payments, manage finances, split transactions, and issue cards, all in one unified platform. Now, we know exactly why this is good for the future, because, payment processors, we need more projects like that in the crypto space. So I really don't have to dive too deep on it, but all you need to know is it's fully licensed electronic money institution, regulated by the Bank of Romania, MiCA compliant, enterprise grade security, AI powered fraud prevention, and secure transactions. So it definitely looks like this project's in the right path. Is doing something that a lot of projects should think about doing, which is payment processing for businesses. So anyways, accept and optimize payments globally. So, a lot is going on there. They have checkouts, payment UIs, crypto payments, all that. So anyways, now that we know exactly what this project is, what it does, let's go and look at some other things. So one thing I don't like here is that it says the holders is at 664. 664 holders. Like, what? Like, that's actually crazy. Look at the top wallets. The top wallets have a lot of coins. I need explanations for these. I need to know why. Like, who do these wallets belong to? That's what I need to know. But yeah, 664 coins, or 664 holders, when the coins is at 321 million circulating supply with 10 billion inside a total supply. What? And then the market cap at 32 million, but the fully diluted value is 1 billion and the trading volume is 6 million. But the holders is at like 664. So I don't know. I'm trying to wrap my head around it. That means there's a lot of a lot of money inside the top wallets. So definitely be careful with this one. It seems pretty legit though, because the whole xMoney thing, like the whole like the payment processor thing, it seems legit. It's built on Multiverse X as well as Sui. So I mean, let's see what they do. Let's see if they do some good stuff. They've been having these conventions, so they're legit. They show their faces. They have a legit team. So, and they're actually regulated. Like, they're actually regulated and all that. So maybe that money is like reserves or something in there. I'm guessing it's something along those lines, and like staking and stuff like that. So I'm guessing that's what those wallets are for. So that's just my guess. They're also listed on KuCoin, some other exchanges. And some people have been pretty bullish with it. Some people have been talking about how they think it's going to take off soon. But I want to show you what I think is going to happen here. So what I see happening here inside of XMN, and again, guys, become a member of the channel. Only $9.99 per month. This was actually requested by a member, and you guys can request me to go over projects too if you want to become a member. But anyways, the %R trend exhaustion is overbought, overexhausted to the top. There's a possibility that we can get rejected before we're even able to break out. So there is a possibility of that rejection before we can break out here at 10 cents. So keep that in mind. The MACD over here, you can kind of see a little bit of selling pressure might be coming in. So also keep that in mind too. So there is a possibility we can see another pullback. But I feel like this. I feel like if we do have another pullback, it'll be similar to this one, where we pull back a bit and then we have another pump. We're just creating higher lows at this point, and it's probably going to look something similar like this. So if we pull back here, maybe this comes back to this level right here, coming back to about like 8 cents, and then something like this, and then breaking out. So I feel like it could be something like that, right? But we just don't have enough information on the chart to know, because we can't look at past performance because it's such a new project. But I feel like something like this could happen. So I would say keep your eyes out for a small pullback followed by another pump. and then it could be creating higher lows at this point. And the next target price for you guys is going to be 13 cents. That's the all-time high here, the all-time high. And then after that, 20 cents. So I would say look towards 13 cents and 20 cents. If we are rejected here and we don't continue to take off, then what you want to look for is down here, all the way down to 0.045. I know it's low, but it's probably where you want to look if it does not take off. That's if it doesn't take off. But remember, this thing is at a pretty low market cap. I'm just confused about this. Like, why is like all the supply like not there? Like, if they start unlocking the supply and start releasing the supply back into circulation, that could be very terrible. If they do it now or even in the future, it could be pretty terrible. I don't like seeing this 321 million. I know they probably got a lot of locked coins and stuff like that because they do staking as well. But circulating supply 321 million and total supply 10 billion. I don't like that. Market cap 32 million and then fully diluted value 1 billion. I don't like that either. Like, that's a huge discrepancy between the prices, between the market cap and the fully diluted value, and the circulating supply and the total supply is a huge discrepancy between those levels. I don't really like the way that is, but it is what it is. Because a lot of what I do operates on market cap. I like to look at the market cap of things to see how realistically could it continue to increase. But it's kind of hard to tell when the market cap is literally almost 100 times lower than the fully diluted value. I mean, it just makes it difficult to, do anything with it. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about that. But yes, I do think that we could see 13 cents and 20 cents soon for this project. So watch out for 13 cents and 20 cents. But remember, if it rejects and if it goes below this level here, we don't want to see it go below 8 cents, because that means that from that point, we're probably going to start creating lower lows, and we don't want to do lower lows. We want to do higher lows. Okay. But yeah, there's a possibility that it could keep breaking out. But if it doesn't, look for it to pull back below 8 cents and eventually down to 4. But anyways, this is all I got for you guys today. Go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Go ahead and become a member of the channel. It's only $9.99 per month, and you can request me to go over videos just like this, because a member has requested me to go over this video. So go ahead and request a video, as long as it's not some low cap scam coin, right? Some meme scam coin or something. As long as it's nothing like that, I'll go over it for you guys. Shout out to all the members. Shout out to everyone out there. And as always, I'll be back with another video.